Hello guys, New Apple Times here, welcome to a new video. And as you know, I bought the 30-watt power adapter and the USB-C to lightning cable. And I did an unboxing, you can see it right here or here, I'm not sure. And yeah, but today we're going to try it on the iPad Pro. I have the 10.5 inch and we're going to see if it's really worth it. So to do that comparison, we'll start by charging the iPad Pro with the fast charging, the 30-watt power adapter, and then we will switch to the one that ships with the box, the 12-watt power adapter. So yeah, let's get to it.
Okay, so here is the iPad, and if you see, if I try to turn it on, it will tell me that there's no charge and that I need to connect it to power, and that's what I'm going to do. So right now it's connected the 30-watt power adapter with the USB to lightning cable, and we're gonna power it on, and we're gonna set a timer to see how long it takes to charge the iPad. So 1, 2, 3, on and charging. So yeah, now it's charging, appears the symbol there. So yeah, now let's wait and see how the charge develops. Okay, so we're now at 34 minutes, which is a little over half an hour, and as you can see we're 41% into charge, and yeah, the iPad has been turned off with the screen off pretty much all of that time. So yeah, half an hour, 40%, not bad.
Okay, so right now we're 59, about an hour, and 67%. So yeah, good pace. Okay, so as you can see, it's now just over an hour and a half, and if we take our iPad, you will see that it's charged to 90%. So that's pretty great. Again, the screen has been off all of this time, and yeah, we'll see how long it takes to take to 100. Okay, so at 156, so wait, the iPad actually reached 100% charge, and yeah, as you can see here, it just took about 2 hours to charge the iPad with the 30-watt power adapter, of course with the screen off, and yeah, it's pretty nice time. Okay, so as you can see, the iPad just ran out of battery again, and if we try to turn it on, it will tell us to connect the charger, and that's what we're going to do. But this time we're going to charge the regular charger that comes with your iPad. That's the 12-watt charger. So yeah, if we plug it in and set the timer to start just when we plug it in. 1, 2, 3. And we will see how long it takes for the iPad to charge to 100%. Okay, so as you can see, we're now on 34 minutes, which is the same that we saw our first progress update when we charged with the bigger charger. And this time 34 minutes in the charging progress, we are at only 19%, whereas before we were at 41. So we're now starting to see a big difference in charging times, but yeah, we will let it charge to the end and see how the 12-watt charge adapter does. Okay, so as you can see, we're now just over an hour into the charging process, and our iPad is at 33%. So we haven't even reached 41%. That was what it had loaded in 34 minutes with the other charger. An hour and a half into the charging progress, and as you can see, the iPad is 48%, which is nearing that 50% mark. However, with the 30-watt power adapter, at this time of charge, it was 90%. So yes, you can see there's quite a difference. Okay, so 2 hours, the iPad had already charged a few minutes ago with the 30-watt power adapter, but we're using the 12 watts, so right now we are at 62%. So yeah, looks like it's going to take at least 1 more hour. Okay, half an hour more, 2 hours and a half now in total, and we are at 75%. So still 1/4 to go, and normally the last 20% is the slowest part of charging of any device. So we'll see, we hope that this ends soon, because this iPhone is running out of battery. Okay guys, so 3 hours of charging and we're currently on 85%. So yeah, 15% to go, but yeah, I hope that we don't reach another half an hour. Okay, 3.5 hours and we're just at 94%. So yeah, we're almost done. I hope we don't take another half an hour for the very last 6%, and yeah, we'll report back when it's finished. Okay, so it's been 3 hours, 54 minutes and 28 seconds, and the iPad just finished charging to the 100%. So yeah, as you could see, that's almost 2 hours more than with the 30-watt power adapter. So yeah, now let's go to the conclusion. Okay, so as you saw, there's no need to be a rocket scientist to tell that it made a huge difference. In fact, the 30-watt power adapter managed to charge the iPad in almost half the time of what the other one took. However, this difference can be even bigger if we use the iPad. During all these tests, the iPad has been with the screen off. I just turned it on to check the progress of the charging, and yeah, the difference, as you can see, it's huge. It was almost 2 hours less. So, in my opinion, if you want to have your iPad charged fast, or if you're on a rush that you have to charge it or anything, I mean, if you're often on a rush to charge it, I would say go for it. Don't think about it because it's gonna be worth it. I'm really happy with the purchase I made, and the best part is that it not only works with your iPad, but it also works with your iPhone as long as you have an iPhone 8 Plus, 10, 10s, 10s Max or 10R. So yeah, this was the test on the iPad. If you want to see the test on the iPhone, it will be uploaded soon, and maybe if you're watching the video, it's already uploaded and you will see it right here or here somewhere. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more Apple related content coming every week. Also, and this is new, don't forget to join the New Apple Times community group on Telegram, link is down below, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram to stay up to date with everything I post. You can see sneak peeks, behind the scenes and everything, link will be also down below. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.